What's up YouTube, back again. We've got a quick video for you today, and this one we're going to be taking a quick look at a photo for iPad. Now, I've got one gripe so far with this software. I've not got the ability to test it against the desktop at the same time with the same picture because I've got to sign out of the desktop version to be able to use this one. Bit of a pain, but anyway, we'll go along with it for now. Right, okay, so as soon as you load the program, it turns it into landscape version, which is obviously like this. And then we've got the Avoto logo in the corner. And then we've got my account details here, blah, blah, blah. And then we've got the ability to import from either photos or from a file on your computer. We'll import from photos and let's select a few images that I dragged over. We've got some RAWs here. Add. And then it gives you the option to give it a project name. We will call this one test. And then I've got in here, we've got some RAWs, and I think I've got one JPEG as well to have a play. Right, okay, so the information we've got on the screen at the moment, we've got the histogram and we've got the camera information here, what the picture was taken at, either JPEG, and the speed, etc. We've got 50mm, blah, but anyway, that's not what we want to look at. We want to look at the features of this software so far. I want to try and get this sort of resting on an angle. There we go. I hope you can all see that. I'm recording the screen as well, hopefully, and then I will interact with the screen recording as well as doing it live on here. I'm using a iPad Pro. I think it's probably about the 4th gen, something like that. I'm not sure. I've had it about 3 years, something around that sort of timeline. And so far, it loaded up quickly. Seems nice. Okay, so we're presented on the right hand side with the preset option, and then we've got the color adjustment section, and then we've got the main attraction, which is the portrait retouching. Okay, now so far it does look similar to the, I would say near enough the same as the desktop version, which is all good. First thing I want to try is the extreme. A little bit of a lag at loading the photos up, as you can see there. Could be my system, don't know. Okay, so we've got a picture here and we've got quite a lot of blemishes, etc. And we're going to hopefully fix them straight away. And the process is done. Before, after, before, after. I'm liking that. Now, one thing we do need to add to this software, which hasn't been added so far, I thought they would have put it in straight away, was the ability to crop a photo before we edit. And so we've got a raw picture here. I would like the ability to be able to, adjust the angle of the picture because it's on a little bit of a slant there, as we can see. We can't crop it, which is a bit of a pain. That is one thing you would have thought they would put in straight away, whether it be a beta or whatever. The ability to crop the picture needs to be put in there as soon as possible. I've only had this on my computer, on my iPad for a few days. Like I said, I came back off holiday. I had a quick look at it over there, but now is a real test. And we will do a full edit on this picture if we can. Let me just see how quick it loads up different photos. Now these are shot on a 50 megapixel camera. That might be why it's a little bit slower, but I don't seem to have... It's not too bad, it's loading them. Just a little bit slow for my liking. Like I said, it's an iPad Pro. It should run all right on this software, on this system. But anyway, we've got a little bit of a lighting issue as well on this. It doesn't look the same as what I'm seeing on the screen, but I'm doing a screen recording, so we will see as we go along. Anyway, first impressions, I do like the layout. And we're going to do a edit. That's what the software's for, so we will go straight back into here. We've got the spots removed. I just want to bring those shadows up in the hair. There is a little bit of lag on the adjustments on... We do need real-time colour adjustment. What does it say here? Okay, it does say it will take a little bit more increased time, but we do need the... I should have done this adjustment first. We're just going to bring the exposure up as well. Not too much, just so we can see more of the hair. Bring the shadows down just a little bit, and let's see what we can do to this picture. Okay, so we've got the spot removal once it loads back up. Come on. What's going on here? There we go. It took a little bit of time. It is a little bit slow. They might be able to fix that in the future. We've got the eye bag one there. Dark circles, we'll bring that up to around the 57%. No forehead wrinkles. We do need to fix this as well. Smile lines, there we are. We're going to go all in on the smile lines, I think. Lip wrinkles and flakes, we can see here. We've got wrinkles and flakes, that's been added. And let's see what we can do there. I don't know if it's... Like I said, I want to try this software on... I'd like to be able to do it real time on the desktop version as well. I don't know if it's as... Little net wrinkle there I can see. What I'll do is I'll try and keep quiet. I'll do the little edits I want to do, and then we'll carry on talking. Okay, so facial reshape. We just want to do a little bit of thinning. It's putting me off not being on the right angle, but anyway, we'll carry on. Get the symmetricize on. I really like that feature. I'll keep that there. Facial expression. Now, the gentle smile, it's something I don't use. It just doesn't work on this, obviously this version, or the other version on the desktop. Okay, so we want to go into the makeup suite. Right, okay, so what are we missing here? Eyeshadow, eyebrows, eyelashes. Oh, nothing. We're not missing anything, it's just that it's hidden. Okay. We're getting there, Okay, eyeliner. Yeah, so all the functions are there. We've just got to scroll across to be able to see them. Lipsticks, etc. Contour. Let's go with that one. Lipstick, we're going to keep the same. Face decoration, we're going to jump into that one. the face decoration, I do like that feature. Dimensions of the lips, we'll bring that one up as well. But yeah, I mean, all this, it's running smooth. I do like it. What else are we going to go for? Double contour, contacts, eyeliner, eyelashes, eyeshadow, eyebrows, makeup sweep. I don't usually like using that one, but we're going to go into here. A little bit more contour on the face. Eyes. Just have a quick look here. Remove red veins is in there. Really good feature. No glasses glare. We're just going to bring the brightness up just a little bit as well. Is it something I would use all the time? Probably not, because I do have more often with me a laptop compared to the iPad, but it's you know, it's a good feature to have. What have we got in there? We don't need anything in there. We can't use a full body shape. Skin retouching. A little bit more clarity back in. I will export this picture as well once it's done. But there we go, the before and after. It works fine, this software, yeah. Like I said, the only gripe I've got with it at the moment is the ability to crop needs to be put in there straight away. Let's just jump into this picture here. And what I'm going to do is we're going to go into the a little bit slow for some reason. Maybe because I'm recording the screen at the same time, it's slowed it down. So it's not an issue I'm going to be crying about at the moment. Okay, so we're just going to bring the shadows up. Yeah, the slowness, it's strange that. Anyway. And like I said, 50 megapixel files. Network error. Right, okay, so, right, it's saying network error. Now I'm down in my little studio, the bottom of the garden. The signal to the Wi-Fi isn't brilliant. Does it need Wi-Fi to be able to do these changes? Please check your internet connection. Okay, what I'm going to do is final thoughts. It's looking good. If it's on the internet all the time to be able to do this, that's not good. It's definitely not good. It seems to have oh no, we're back on. It does seem, I'm just hoping, you're seeing that network error come up. Does it need to be online to be able to do this editing? And if that's the case, then yeah, there's an issue. Anyway, first look. It's coming to iPad. It's looking good. Let's hope the pricing options change a little bit. I'm still not happy again with the, limited number of pictures to edit and then you're done. You've got to pay again. That definitely needs to change. And I think, in the future, they might change that because a lot more people will come to this software if it's a one-off payment for a year. Or whatever, do you know what I mean? But more on the same pricing as Adobe, etc. You pay once or you pay monthly and you can do what you want with the software. If that's an option, they will get a lot more people using it, I think. But the credit system, anyway, I've had my thoughts on that on plenty of videos. We're going to leave it there. We'll see you in the next one. Let's see if there's any updates done for this software.